Got a couple inches. Seems like we gotta get the truck warmed up, get the plow put on it. Let the glow plugs warm up. We'll cycle it twice. Woo! I just spot for a good hour. Get this damn thing on. It just would not line up. These blocks against these, pushing it, straps trying to pull it in, but we finally got it on, locked on. Get some coffee, and we're out. We're gonna double check that the salter is in fact working. Nothing worse than loading up some salt and realizing that your salter isn't working. Plow, controller, hold it, turn it on all the way. If you just press it, it turns the lights on. But plow's good. Vibrator's working. Spinner's going. We can hear the electric whirl of the motor if we cut it on for the auger, so that's good. I like the winter time and I like plowing, but I don't like the stress. I don't like the stress of it. You know, equipment could possibly break. Your truck, you could wreck, really mess up your vehicle. You gotta leave it run the whole time. You don't want to shut it off because it might not start back up. Even new equipment has issues. It's not that it's used. You get a brand new something and have issues with it a month after. There's all kind of skid loaders and heavy equipment that has all kind of issues. A couple weeks, under 100 hours on them. We're here at the yard grabbing salt. Looks like they're getting a delivery. So, damn. Ooh, he almost took the top off that. That'll give us a couple 1,000 pounds in there. Alright, so we pushed all that down. We'll push the other down by the trash can, and we're gonna bring it all down this way into that grass. We gotta salt this again. We salted while we were backing up, so we had extra grip coming up the hill. Maybe we can come through here. I don't know. I'm not gonna. We'll throw salt down in between it, but we're not plowing. We're just going to do the sidewalks, and we'll salt them, shovel in the back of the truck, and then we're going to do the front, and we're off to the next. This is as good as I'm doing it. Salt will melt off the rest. We got a little gap in between the plows, so we're going to just close her up a little bit. salted. We're gonna throw a little extra out here where we're pulling out. All the sidewalks are done. We're just gonna go to the next. We cleared a little bit. Our camera battery's about dead, so I'm gonna set you up and let you record, and when it cuts out, that'll be it, I guess. Saturday, January 4th, we are going out to check our sites, probably plow a little bit more, throw some more salt out. But earlier this morning, we're going to check out a property for this upcoming season. So it's snowing. I didn't record while walking around, but they got this barn area down there. There's a lot of work here that needs done. A lot of bushes. They're gonna be a regular maintenance, no lawn care, but we're gonna take care of the property for the season, trimming everything, getting rid of things, cleaning stuff up, maintaining stuff. There's a little waterfall out front, but yeah, we'll get them a price together, send it over, and you know, hopefully we'll have them this year. But we're gonna go get some plowing done. Okay, see you at the first stop. Alright, these apartments are done as good as they're gonna get now. Parking lot is full of vehicles. I need to call the landlord and have them get everybody to move their cars out the lot so I can plow. I gotta check to make sure the salter is spinning. Hang on. Sometimes some dried up salt dust builds up and doesn't allow the spinner to actually spin. So get out, give it a little spin itself, and after that it's good to go. So we're just gonna throw some salt out. A little salt run. We're here at the church, salting. We got the spinner on 7, and the auger is on 6. So that's this one done. Go up and do that top parking lot. We're not gonna plow. We gotta hit this little handicap spot too. Alright, now we're going to do the entryways a little better. We'll go down this middle again. We got the salt going still. Oh, this is going to scrape. It's going to really scrape here. Oh, yeah. Cut the salt off on the road. Just turn back up into this one. Cut it back on. And we're going to go right down the middle where that snow's at. some extra loops. There's a little extra salt being put down. I don't think you're supposed to leave the vibrator on the whole time. Some people do it. That's stupid. It's a lot of power being pulled. You can hear it ting. Garage. That means you're back enough and the salt is reaching back enough. Do the left side and then we're going to do the middle as we're pulling out. We'll hit this entryway as we're pulling out with some salt. Back on 7. I like to hit the vibrator when I'm done. Any loose salt that is left by the end will get shaken out. That way you don't have salt flinging out on people as you're driving down the road. We're here at another residential one. Just got to shovel and salt this little bit. So we got a shovel, we got salt in the truck. We'll get this knocked out. And then we got one more after this, but here's our last commercial property. Should be clear. I did it last night. Yeah, it's still clear. Sidewalk and everything. Dad lives here too though, so we're gonna check on him this morning, see what he's up to. He's doing good, just chilling out, watching some shows. He's munching on some snacks. Now we're gonna go hit our last spot. We should have left out the other way. It would have been a little faster to get there, but she's already out and about. Sidewalk definitely needs done. All that salt will melt that last bit left. We are done. It's 12:33. We'll go home. Try to get some sleep. Slept about 4 hours last night and have been up salting and plowing. Still snowing. That's gonna do it for this one. We're heading back in. We're gonna get some rest. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It would really help us out. Thanks again and have a great day.